Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Bar 5.0 MB multi-beam soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if this soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to the network, it's not syncing or pairing with your TV or the Bluetooth or your phone or whatever. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all the pairing history and all the settings and previous settings and connections so that you can set this up like new if you're moving or if you're setting it up on a new network or something like that. It's really very easy to do. Well, first of all, we need to make sure that it's on, and once it's on, we're just going to come in and simultaneously press and hold the power button on the left and the source button all the way to the right and hold them for at least 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so, the soundbar will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default state, at which point you can set it up basically like it's a new soundbar.